Have you ever wondered how much it costs to build your own teardrop trailer? Well, I'm going to break down my costs into 5 easy categories so you can make some comparisons before building your own teardrop trailer. Okay, first things first is the chassis. Now we buy our chassis in, they cost us £1,549. Because we're commercial outfitters, we buy them in, the VIN number's all ready to go. It's very easy for us to build up from that point. You can build your own. You can download the plans, there's plenty available on the internet, and build your own. You could save loads of money. As you know from our videos, we take a few things off the chassis. We then give everything some metal protection paint on top of the galvanizing before later putting everything back together as it was. Okay, next thing is the 25mm insulation. Now that creates part of the insulation bubble that we talk about in the videos, and also the 12mm marine ply gets screwed to the chassis, which gives us a really strong base. Okay, let's get on with the frame. Now, as you remember from the build videos, we use 12mm birch plywood. We try and use B-grade birch plywood because it's just beautifully finished. A light sand, and then cover it with the Osmo worked up oil, and it makes a beautiful interior, absolutely beautiful. To make the frame out of the 12mm birch plywood, we use 3 sheets of 12mm birch plywood. Okay, to the sides of the main frame, we've used 3 sheets of 4mm birch plywood. Again, not only because it's going to be beautiful on the inside, but also because it's really, really strong. Once all of that outside is wrapped in the first plywood, we then laminate 7 sheets of 25mm insulation. And remember, we've already done one underneath the teardrop trailer, so these 7 sheets help to create that insulation bubble that keeps the teardrop trailer warm on the inside. Okay, for the outside wrap, we use 4 sheets of 5mm Flexi Plywood up and over, making those beautiful curves just like before. And we use 3 sheets of 3mm marine plywood just to make the sides, and that's all laminated onto that 25mm insulation. Okay, fiberglass. Okay, let's talk about the fiberglass. We use 15 square meters of polyester vinyl fiberglass. That includes the chop strand matting, the polyester vinyl itself, the gel coat and the Flowcoat, and a few ancillaries, and that came to £550. Okay, let's talk about windows. We bought the front and back opening windows from Hartford Commercial Windows Limited. I'll leave a link in the description. And we bought those opening windows because they were double glazed. They came with mosquito net and the thermal blind. Now, if you remember on the windows video, I put on some of those bonded vertical windows, 2 on one side and 1 on the door. Not only did it look really, really cool, it also brought lighting from all the way around. I got those windows from Campervan Glass, and I'll leave a link in the description. And lastly was that beautiful door, which we have custom made. I'll leave a link in the description to the company we use. They're absolutely phenomenal. You do the design, send it back to them, and they get it to you within about 2 weeks. Okay, let's talk about the kitchen runners. They were super duper size, rated at 120 kilos. I'll leave a link in the description from where I got them from. They are absolutely fantastic. They keep that kitchen buttery smooth so you can slide it in and out with ease. Okay, let's just round up all those figures together. The chassis and the foundation came to £1,645. The frame and the structure around that, including the insulation, came to £1,383. The doors and windows from Hertford Commercial Windows and that custom door we made came to £1,707. And all the little extras came to £172. Okay, the grand total came to £4,907. Now, if you think that took me about 3 weeks to build it in a double garage, there's no reason why you can't build your own teardrop trailer. I've made the plans available via the link below. I'd love for you to download those plans, build your own teardrop trailer, and take it on some amazing adventures.